Maintaining good vision is essential for overall health and quality of life. While factors like genetics and age affect our eyesight, diet plays a significant role in eye health. Consuming foods rich in specific nutrients can help protect your eyes from damage and improve vision. Here are 6 of the best foods to eat for better eye health. 1. Carrots. Carrots are famously known for their eye health benefits, primarily because they are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, particularly in low light conditions. It helps protect the surface of the eye and is vital for preventing conditions like night blindness. Additionally, carrots contain antioxidants that reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. 2. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses for eye health. They are rich in lutein and zeaxanthine, antioxidants that are found in high concentrations in the retina. These compounds help protect the eyes from harmful light and oxidative damage. Leafy greens are also a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels in the eyes and reducing the risk of cataracts. 3. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of cell membranes in the eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids also help reduce inflammation and improve the function of retinal cells. Consuming fish regularly can lower the risk of developing dry eye syndrome and macular degeneration. 4. Eggs. Eggs are another great food for eye health, packed with essential nutrients such as lutein, zeaxanthine, vitamin E, and zinc. Lutein and zeaxanthine help protect the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from free radical damage, while zinc is vital for maintaining the health of the retina and supporting overall vision. 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in eye health. Vitamin C helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes and can reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Regular consumption of citrus fruits can help protect your eyes from age-related damage. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and support overall health. While vitamin E protects the eyes from oxidative damage, regular consumption of nuts and seeds can help lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration and maintain good vision. Incorporating these 6 foods into your diet can provide essential nutrients that help protect and improve your eyesight. Carrots, leafy green vegetables, fish, eggs, citrus fruits, and nuts and seeds offer a combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are vital for maintaining healthy eyes. Alongside a balanced diet, regular eye checkups and protecting your eyes from excessive strain and UV light are also important for long-term eye health.